In this video, I will going to make spring rolls, vegetable spring rolls. Actually, this video has been a long time ago that my working colleague called Joe requested me to make this video. So shout out Joe. There we go. Here is your vegetable spring roll. Okay, so when the oil is hot, cook the onions until it becomes translucent. Then put the garlic. Please put a little bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce. And then mix it together. The lid back on and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, so this is ready. You want the bean sprout to still crunchy, and as you can see, it produces fluids. So what you're gonna do now is to drain it well and let it cool down before you will wrap it with your spring roll wrapper. Alright, so put it in the colander so that it will drain the fluid there. So let it drain and cool down, okay? This has been cooled down. Yeah, look, lots of fluids drained. So you don't want that fluid to go into your wrapper. Otherwise, your wrapper will get ruined. There we go. It's all been wrapped up. There. So what we're gonna do next now is to deep fry them. Next is to heat on oil for deep frying. Make sure that is very, very hot before you drop off your vegetable spring roll. Check if your oil is hot enough. Yeah, I think it's alright. If you can see, it's already having a bubble, yeah? So meaning it's hot. Alright, so this is now okay. It's now golden brown. Okay, so put it in a paper towel so that it will drain the excess fats, excess oil. Now let's have a taste. I will dip it in my favorite dipping sauce, which is soy sauce, vinegar, and some of chili. Right. Very crunchy. Nice. Hi, Joe. This is for you. I know Joe wants it to eat as it is. No dipping sauce, something like that. No. All right. Bye.